Now, if you've ever had to go to the courthouse, you know that could be a very trying, scary thing. The courthouse is not like them things you see on TV. 5 things to know before thinking that thing is like TV. 5. Number 1, getting a court date may take years. Now, I know a lot of people might think CSI, or SVU, or SUV, or all them shows real, but when you go to court, it don't happen in a day, it don't happen in weeks. Court takes months, sometimes years. If you go into court for a traffic ticket and they keep extending that ticket, you may have got that ticket in 2020, 2024, you're gonna be at your child's graduation by the time they tell you if you gotta pay or not. Do not, I repeat, do not plan your life around a court date, because getting a court date is longer than train smoke. Getting a court date is longer than a Ray J and Kim Kardashian sex tape. Getting a court date is longer than every season of Grey's Anatomy. Going to court takes time. Number 2, the employees at the courthouse are not your friend. Now, one of the biggest complaints about the courthouse be the employees are so mean, they crude, they short answer, they not your friend. They not there to give you legal advice. If you going into a courtroom, if you going into an office and you looking for some court advice, you better walk out that office, because they are there to help you file them papers, meaning your name, your signature, this how much it costs. If you have any legal question, they ain't gonna answer you. They ain't gonna tell you how to Google it. They ain't gonna point you to the office. They gonna tell you if your name, your address, and the amount is right, get out their office. These people are not here to work for you. They here to work for the government. Get it out your head. It's number 2. Number 3, it's so many police officers in the courthouse. We've all seen those movies where the bad guys break out and they run down and then their friends be waiting on them in the parking lot. That's not gonna happen here. It's more police officers than air. It's more police officers than grains of sand on the beach. There's a police officer for every single door you pass. Police officers walking here on their day off. Y'all ain't got nothing else to do, man. Y'all ain't got nowhere to go. Y'all ain't got nothing to barbecue. Y'all ain't got no football game to watch. Do not think you gonna make a great escape like them movies. You are not John Dillinger. This ain't Public Enemy. It ain't gonna happen. You nut up in here, you ain't gonna make it out alive. Cuffs and all. Number 4, when you go into the courthouse, if you have a civil suit, everybody gonna be in your business. If you are dealing with a small claims, if you are dealing with traffic infractions, if you are dealing with child support, child modification of paternity suits and things like that, everybody gonna be in that courtroom. It's very rare that you gonna be in the courtroom with your family. No, I'm walking in the courtroom, I'm in everybody's business. Oh, he ain't taking care of his child. Oh, she partied all the time. Oh, she failed the drug test. Oh, you ain't paying that traffic ticket. You ran that red light. The court system is really like TV in that regard. It ain't no privacy. It ain't no just you, me, and Dupree in a courtroom this size. No, everybody in their mammy can hear your business. So before you take it to court, be sure you don't mind me talking about it on Facebook, because just last week, I seen some stuff go down, and I want to know if she passed that P test. Did she? And number 5, anybody can go to court. You ain't special. Do not be one of those folks that think, I'm gonna take you to court. That's gonna threaten somebody. That is no longer a threat. Back in the days when you used to threaten somebody, I'll see you in court. You'll hear from my lawyers. People used to be scared, but now everybody got a lawyer. For $35 a month, you can get a prepaid phone call and lawyers will help you out. So before you get to court, you already feel like you're a lawyer yourself. People are not threatened by the court system. Anything can be taken to court. Somebody breaking your lawnmower, somebody spitting at you, somebody yelling at you, somebody jogging behind you, somebody crashing your car. You are not special because you took somebody to court. Take that threat back. Before you walk in here, that outcome may not be in your favor. So before you say, I'm going to court, I want to deal with this in court, the judge is going to decide. You may walk out of there owing more than you brought into this courtroom. You may walk out of there butt naked, still uncircumcised. Ouch.